In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stacked area chart in Power BI and share some tips on how to format it effectively. To kick things off, let's talk briefly about what a stacked area chart is and when it's best to use it. A stacked area chart is a fantastic way to visualize how different categories contribute to a whole over a continuous dimension, which is most often time. Picture each category's area being seamlessly stacked on top of one another. This allows for a robust representation of individual contributions as well as the total combined value. It's particularly useful when your goal is to track trends or observe how different segments change in relation to one another over time. Alright, so let's dive into the process of actually creating this type of visualization in Power BI. First things first, you'll need to open Power BI Desktop. Once you have that ready to go, it's time to load or connect to your dataset. For a stacked area chart, your dataset should include a field that you can plot along the x-axis, typically a time dimension, like a date field. You'll also need at least one numeric measure, such as sales or costs, which will form the vertical stacks, and a categorical field to split those stacks, such as product category or region. With your data ready, the next step is to head over to your report canvas. Here, in the Visualizations pane on the right side of your screen, you'll want to select the Stacked Area Chart icon. Clicking this icon sets up your space, and it's time to assign fields to the appropriate wells so the magic can happen. Let's start with setting up the axis, also known as your x-axis. Here, you'll place your continuous field, which might be your date or month, for example. Next is the legend. This is where you'll drag your categorical field, which is key for distinguishing the different colored stacks in your chart. Lastly, let's turn to the values well, where you'll drag in the numeric measures you intend to display, like sales. If your dataset has multiple numeric measures, you can stack these together in the values well, allowing them to be visually represented in the chart. Once these fields are appropriately assigned, Power BI will automatically render your chart, dynamically stacking the areas based on the data provided. You'll be able to see a vivid representation of individual contributions in the stack, along with the aggregated total at the top of the chart. And there you have it. A stacked area chart powerfully visualizing your data trends over time in Power BI. Just remember, the key to a well-designed chart is clarity. Experiment with colors, labels, and layout to make sure the information is both accessible and aesthetically pleasing. Happy charting!